DAS is defined as any substance that people eat and drink to maintain life and growth. What would denote a person's ability to eat enough, stay active, and lead a healthy life? Who defines food security as? Food security exists when all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food which meets their dietary needs and food preference for an active and healthy life. Which of the following is a United Nations organization? Who defined nutritional security as? Physical, economic, and social access to a balanced diet, safe drinking water, environmental hygiene, primary health care, and primary education. How many basic components of food and nutrition security have? What does it mean to have a physical availability of food stocks in desired quantities? DAS is a function of domestic production, changes in stocks and imports. DAS is primarily a matter of purchasing power and is therefore closely linked with the capability and employment opportunity to earn. What is closely linked with the capabilities and employment opportunities to earn? DAS is the ability to biologically utilize the food consumed. Dash for people in a country is not only depend on the quantum of food available, but also on the ability of people to purchase, access food, and to stay in an appropriate healthy environment. The United States of America extended assistance through its Dash scheme to India during the early 1960s. The American administration and Ford Foundation formulated a plan to increase food production in the country by introducing high yield variety HYV of Dash. Which paved the way for self-sufficient in food grain production in the country. How many million hectares was the production area of food grains in the early 1950s? How many million tons of food grains were produced by the country in the early 1950s? How many kilograms of food grain per hectare were available on average in the early 1950s? How many years did it take for India to improve its food situation? How many times has the yield of food grains increased between independence and the present? Which scheme introduced high yield varieties of rice and wheat and ensured the availability of subsidized chemical fertilizer for the farmers? When was the minimum support price for the crops announced? The state procured the harvested grains through dash. HYV expansion. MSP expansion. Which organization sets up huge storage godowns and build buffer stocks of food grain during the harvest season to be distributed all through the year. Match the food products with its respected production value. In which production did India could not succeeded in attaining self-sufficiency? DAS is a price fixed by an expert group for a particular crop by considering various costs involved in the cultivation of that crop. PDS expansion. Which of the following method was adopted by Tamil Nadu? Which of the following methods has been adopted by other states in India except in Tamil Nadu? Under which scheme all the family ration card holders are entitled to supply from PDS? Under which system the beneficiary are identified based on certain criteria and given their entitlement, leaving out the rest? which government subsidized that supply distributed through public distribution system. In which year was the National Food Security Act passed by the Parliament of India? The NFSA covers dash of the urban householders and dash of rural householders. The householders identified by the National Food Security Act based on a set of criteria are known as dash. Match food item provided by the government under NFSA and its price. When was the National Food Security Act implemented in Tamil Nadu? What plays an important role in the supply of quality goods at responsible rates to common people? How many tier structure of consumer cooperative societies formed in India? How many village level society are engaged in the distribution of consumer goods in rural areas? What percentage of all fair price shops in Tamil Nadu are run by cooperatives? Buffer stock is done to distribute food grains in the deficit areas and among the poorer strata of the society at a price lower than the market price, also known as dash. DAS is the stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, produced by the government through the Food Corporation of India. Who purchases wheat and rice from the farmer in the states where there is surplus production? FCI expansion. The farmers are paid a pre-announced price for their crops. This price is called dash. What is declared by the government every year before the sowing season to provide incentives to the farmer for raising the production of these crops? What is the value of currency expressed in terms of numbers of goods or services that one unit of money can buy? Price increases purchasing power dash and vice versa. What is the population growth rate in India per thousand? When the demand for goods increases, the price of the goods dash. When the price increases, the purchasing power decreases. And finally, the value of currency dash. When the production and supply of goods decrease, the price of goods dash. The concept related to purchasing power is dash. What economic theory that estimates the amount that needs to be adjusted to the price of an item? What can be used to compare countries' income levels and other relevant economic data concerning the cost of living or possible rates of inflation and deflation? India became the dash largest economy in terms of PPP. China became the dash largest economy in terms of PPP. The US became the dash largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity. PPP expansion. The proportion of income and assets owned by top dash of Indian goes on increasing. In which year was the new agricultural policy based on the export of agricultural goods was announced by the central government? In which year did the government announce it to remove export restrictions on most organic and processed agricultural products? Who initiated the multidimensional poverty index MPI? In which year was the multidimensional poverty index launched? What is the basic philosophy and significance of the multidimensional poverty index? In which year was the multidimensional poverty index report of Tamil Nadu introduced? According to the multidimensional poverty index of Tamil Nadu, the districts in Tamil Nadu are classified into dash categories. How many dimensions of poverty? How many indicators are there in the multidimensional poverty index? After which year, poverty has declined steadily in both rural and urban areas of Tamil Nadu. After which year, poverty reduction in Tamil Nadu is faster than in many other states in India. During which period Tamil Nadu leads the poverty alleviation programs? In 2015 to 16, dash of rural women and dash of urban women ages from 15 to 49 years were counted as undernourished or chronically energy deficient by the National Family Health Survey. More than dash of women in the reproductive age group 15 to 49 years in both rural and urban India were anemic. About dash of rural children and of the urban children in the age group of 6 to 59 months are counted to be anemic in 2015 to 16. About dash of the rural and of the urban children are stunted. In India in 2015 to 16, about dash of children in the age group of 6 to 59 months in the rural and urban area are estimated to be underweight. In Tamil Nadu, ICDC is being implemented through DAS, Child Center in 434 Child Development Blocks. ICDC expansion. The performance of which project is considered to be one of the best in the country. Which is considered one of the world's largest program of its kind. Which is considered to be the largest meal program in the country. Which program was introduced to combat malnutrition among children and increase primary school enrollment and reduce dropout rates. Who came up with the nutrition meal program? In whose name is financial assistance to the tune of 20,000 is being disbursed to poor pregnant women? Under Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy Maternity Benefit Scheme, financial assistance to the tune of DAS is being disbursed to poor pregnant women. What aims to provide universal health care to all by providing free medical and surgical treatment. The Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme is a scheme launched in which year? Which scheme introduced free ambulance services? Which scheme was implemented in the state intending to detect and to provide sustained regular treatment to all leprosy patients? Through which program it is emphasized to providing comprehensive healthcare services to all students studying in the government and government aided schools? What is the Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana? Dash of food is the physical availability of food stocks in the desired quantities, which is a function of domestic production, changes in stocks and imports. Buffer stock is a stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, produced by the government through the dash. Which is correct? Dash extended assistance through its public law 480. Das revolution was born in India, paving the way for self-sufficiency in food grain production. Das is the only state in India to adopt universal PDS. Das is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Das is an important indicator of nutrition deficiency. Das in the year National Food Security Act was passed by the Indian Parliament. Das play an important role in the supply of quality goods at responsible rates to common people. Match the following. Assertion. Purchasing power increases, price decreases, and vice versa. Reason. The production of goods declines, the price of the goods increases, and then the purchasing power is affected.